Hello, welcome back to the Digital Learning Channel. My name is Jackie Fewen, the Director of Technology here at Lubbock-Cooper ISD. Before Aaron goes into the technical details of taking your files, I wanted to visit with you briefly about doing some digital spring cleaning. First thing is to take a look at those email messages and see if you are subscribed to any newsletters or recurring messages that you need to unsubscribe from and clean up that inbox. Next, you'll look at your files in Google Drive and iCloud, and you can sort by last modified and see the ones that are really old, and go ahead and delete those old or unused files that you really don't need to take with you. So when you consider looking at your pages, numbers, keynote, clips, and those kinds of files, make sure you take the ones that are really important to you and organize them in such a way that you can reference them easily, because you really don't want to take all the gigabytes of information that you have, especially to your personal device or those devices with limited storage.
Device. So what we're going to do first, I want to make sure you know where the website is to get this information. So you're going to go to takeout.google.com. So here I am on the website, and it's going to give me some options. For example, do I want to save my bookmarks, all of my calendar information? The one that I want to make sure you go to, make sure that Drive is turned on. That's all of the information, all the things that you've made from your Google Drive can be saved. And so then I'm just going to come down here, make sure everything I want is checked. Next step, it's going to give me the option to when to export. I'm going to export this once, and I want to do zip drive, and then I want to do maybe 2 gigs or 4 gigs, 10 gigs, 50 gigs, maybe 4 gigs, 2 gigs. If you do it too big, that zip file is huge and will take forever to download. And so what this is going to do when you create an export is it's going to process all this information. Most likely it's going to take a couple days. You're going to get an email from Google saying that your Google Takeout is ready. You're going to download that zip file to a personal computer and then unzip it and to get all of that information onto your own personal computer. Again, do not wait to do this to the very last day before you're gone, because if it takes too long, after a certain amount of days, all that information is turned off after you leave the district. So you may want to do this ahead of time to make sure you give yourself plenty of time, and also to check that zip to make sure that you unzip it and have all the information you want to take with you. Okay, so now that you've seen how to take the Google stuff, how do I get all of the things from my iCloud? So there's a couple options you could do. If you have your own personal device at home, you could airdrop all the files from your school iPad to a personal device. Or if you want to put all that into Google, what I'm going to go is go to my Drive. I'm going to create a new folder, so plus button, folder, and I'm going to call this Apple Stuff. Now what's great on the Google Drive app is I can come into this Apple Stuff and again press that plus button. This time I'm going to press upload. When I click upload, I'm going to browse, and then what's nice about this is if I go up to this very top left corner, go all the way back to iCloud Drive, anything within my iCloud Drive I can upload. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to filter through all the things that I've made. So maybe my numbers one, this one that says blank, this is one I worked really hard on. I want to make sure I take it with me. When I click this, what it's going to do is going to create this file in Google Drive. And then when I do my Google Takeout, what it can do is then open that file on an Apple device, and it will bring that file into my iPad or bring that file into my computer. So I can go through and just press plus, search, find the files, and I'll put them into this Google Drive. And then that way when I do the takeout, I have all of my information. Or like I said, go ahead and start airdropping all of the information from your iPad to a personal device. Okay, again, don't wait to the very last moment to do this. You want to go ahead and start doing this over the weekends before you leave the district. That way you have plenty of time to sort through what you want to take with you before you're out. If you have any questions or need some help, please email help@lcisd.net.